Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Ford Focus RS. The Focus RS is uniquely equipped for this exciting maneuver, thanks to its innovative drift mode. This feature is designed to make controlled slides more accessible and enjoyable. We will cover everything from preparing your vehicle to executing and maintaining a perfect drift. Remember, safety is paramount, so always choose an appropriate location for practice. Before you even think about sliding, proper setup is crucial. First, locate a very large, open, and private paved area, completely free of any obstacles or other vehicles. Next, engage drift mode using the drive mode selector on your center console. This optimizes the car's systems for drifting. Finally, consider slightly lowering your rear tire pressures by about 5 to 10 pounds per square inch for better slip characteristics. Now for the fun part, executing the drift. As you approach a corner, give a quick, sharp turn of the steering wheel to initiate the weight transfer. Immediately after, apply firm throttle to send power to the rear wheels, braking traction and starting your slide. The key is to then smoothly counter-steer in the opposite direction of the turn, adjusting your steering and throttle inputs to maintain that beautiful, controlled angle through the corner. Mastering drifting takes practice, so be patient and consistent. Focus on refining your throttle control and steering adjustments to achieve smoother, more predictable slides. Always be aware of your vehicle's capabilities and, more importantly, your own limits. Remember, safety is non-negotiable. Always wear your seatbelt, ensure no passengers are in the car during practice, and never attempt this on public roads. Have fun and drift responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.